Your backyard is one of amazing place to do outdoor activities. You can enjoy your beautiful garden and drink a cup of tea in the backyard with your family. You can also do your favorite outdoor activities such as gardening and swimming, of course if you have the facilities in your garden. If you have small backyard and want to build a small swimming pool on there, well, this video is perfect for you. In this video you will find more than 30 plus modern and minimalist swimming pool design for your small backyard. We really hope it will be useful information for you to make your lovely swimming pool. Hope you enjoy.